I'm just going to take you through how it is that we plan the mission. So what I've done is I've created my account, Sky Eye Imagery, and within the free account, and actually let me just show you here when I click my organization on the right hand side, you have a free account, and in here you have a certain amount of storage space. So in here you have a constant 5 GB available of cloud storage. In one of my previous videos, I showed you how you can press the cloud button on the RC+2 remote and it will upload your imagery and videos. And this is the storage space that it will use. When you first activate this FlightHub 2, you will be given a number of free processing frames for mapping, and this one is you get 6,000 free, and I've used most of them up. As you can see, I've used over 5,900, and you've also got a total of 4,000 free live streaming minutes that you can use. If you decided that this is actually where you want to do your processing rather than using an external program, then you can just upgrade. And if you were to upgrade, it then takes you back to the site, and then you can buy now, and then from here decide what sort of upgrade you want, whether you've got the enterprise version or maybe a recharge and you want to upgrade the number of mappings from 6,000 to say 30,000 or increase your minutes. We're going to go back now to where we left off. So this is important, really, the storage space, because when you delete maps and imagery from your online repository, this will go back up to having 5 GB free. So this is constantly changing, whereas the processing frames that are available, that does not reset. So you will need to buy an add-on for it. So what I do, I'm going to go to dashboard here. And you see it just comes up with the map. And this just gives you a dashboard of your current sort of standing, as it were.